That's really big.
It's built specially for these.
For the Memphis Mojos. Okay.
I set them all special.
Nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Wow, Mojos. All right. Is there a way I could open this real quick?
I didn't get a chance to pose with you. He's trying to take a picture of whatever.
Nice. This is a big box. Who built this?
I had it custom made by a guy out in Tennessee.
Okay. That's really big.
It's built specially for these.
For the Memphis Mojos. Okay.
I set them all special.
Nice. I like it. All right, yeah.
That is the biggest first port I've ever seen.
Really? Okay.
I burned it and stained it.
Where's is the ampo in the behind the box?
They're actually underneath the back seats.
Okay.
I just added this. I got done building this on Tuesday at 2 o'clock.
Oh wow.
I had
Okay.
a 2.5 hour drive to get here.
Yeah.
So I added 4 more 8-inch speakers.
Okay. Hey Jess, can you shut the back? Sorry, just making sure it's shut.
No problem.
What was your name?
Lee.
Lee. Jacob. Okay.
I just started this stuff a couple months ago.
All right.
on Tuesday.
Yeah.
I have a chance to retune.
You're gonna have to retune it, yeah, because it'll cut off after a certain point.
It only goes up to 25, 28
Yes,
instead
sir.
of 40. So.
Yep. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Pleasure all's all mine.
Nice. Woo.
Pleasure all's all mine.
Nice. Woo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.